usually when you do demand and range, they also want to cram in, is it a line or is it a function? Is it a line is really easy. What we're going to do is something called the first difference. Ran out of room. So to get from here to here, from 1 to 2, I went up 1. And to get from here to here, I had to go up 1. And from here to here, I had to add 1. And to get from here to here, I had to add 3. Here to here, I had to add 3. From here to here, I had to add 3. So the difference on your x's is the same, and your difference on y's are the same. These are what they call the first differences. So if your first differences are the same, then yes, it is a line. Very exciting. Now, to figure out if it's a function, it depends on what they give us. So if they give us tables or coordinates, the rule is x's cannot repeat. So in this case, I've got x's 1, 2, 2, 4. Right here, my x is repeated. So this is not a function. Now here I've got x's 1, 2, 3, 4. So my x's don't repeat. My y's do repeat. Every time you're in one of these is it a function sections, they will always do this setup and try to trick you. It doesn't matter if my y's repeat, as long as my x's don't repeat. Since my x's don't repeat, yes, this is a function. Now if we're looking at a graph, we have a different rule to figure out if it's a function or not. We're going to do something called the vertical line test. On the vertical line test, you're just going to hold up, you can use your pencil or a ruler, it doesn't really matter. If your line only crosses once, you're good. If it crosses more than once, it is not a function. So right here, it only crosses once at a time. So yes, it's a function. Right here, it's crossing twice, twice, twice. So no. Crosses twice. No. Right here, it's just once, but right here, these two dots, it hits twice. So it is not. That's really all you need to know for that section.